Welcome to the world of Forex trading, where the possibilities are endless and the potential for profit is high. However, with great reward comes great risk, and it's essential to approach this market with a solid strategy and a clear understanding of the rules. As a beginner, it can be overwhelming to navigate the complexities of Forex trading. But don't worry, we're here to break it down into a simple and reproducible strategy that you can start using today. Our goal is to help you develop a winning mindset and a proven approach that will give you the confidence to trade with ease. Let's start with the basics. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies on the global market, with the aim of profiting from fluctuations in exchange rates. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. This means that there are plenty of opportunities to make a profit, but it also means that the competition is fierce. To succeed in Forex trading, you need a solid understanding of the fundamentals.